Hello and welcome to this Python learning tutorial. Okay, today I'll explain you. We will do practicals on data types. Okay, now let's first make a int variable. Okay, a equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and again 4. This we have made a int variable. Okay, now let's make a character variable. Okay, so b equals to, okay, then make it, then type a. Okay, now let's make a float type of variable. Okay, so c equals to 3345.23. Okay, now let's make a boolean type of variables. D equals to true, true. Okay, now let's to understand what data type are assigned to these variable automatically. Okay, that's dynamic memory allocation. Okay, let's do this. So print type t by te type. Then inside these parentheses write the variable name a. Okay, and shift plus select control C, then control V, again control V, again control V. Okay, then make this A to B, C, and finally D. Then select all this. Okay, and then press control plus enter, and here you can see the output. Okay, this is the output. So you can see a is a int, and here int is printed. Okay, b is a uh, string. Okay, as I told you, this is a Python 3. So in this, a character is also considered as a string. Okay, and here you can see c. Okay, c is a float value. Okay, but and it's written here as float, and this d is true. Okay, and this is a boolean value, and here you can see it's a boolean. Okay, now let's do one more experiment. Make this a bit more longer. Okay, okay, I have made this as a double value. Okay, in Python, some in Python 2 we will consider this as a double. Let's see what will happen in Python 3. Okay, this will I also make it as a very long int value. Okay, you can see this. Okay, let's make this as a long. Okay, now let's print again. Okay, select all this. Okay, then control plus enter. Okay, here you can see it's not coming here long, it's coming as int because this is Python 3. If you go for Python 2, here it will come as long. Okay, and it's also coming as float. Okay, if you go for Python 2, it will come here as double. So this is all about practical on data types. So enjoy learning Python and have a nice day. See you in next coming videos. Okay, until then, goodbye.